Artificial intelligence, AI, models are revolutionizing day trading by using complex algorithms to analyze market data and make real-time purchasing and selling decisions. Neural networks are a type of AI model inspired by the human brain, consisting of interconnected nodes that process and transmit information. When choosing an AI model for day trading, it is crucial to consider the availability and quality of historical data, as accurate and reliable data is essential for training the model effectively. Data preprocessing and feature engineering play a crucial role in the success of AI models in day trading. By cleaning, transforming, and standardizing the data, preprocessing ensures that the input to the AI models is accurate and consistent. Feature engineering involves selecting, creating, or transforming the right features to improve the model's predictive performance and relevance to the trading domain. These steps are essential for enhancing the quality and reliability of AI predictions in day trading. When it comes to day trading with AI models, tuning hyperparameters is crucial for optimizing the performance of the models. Hyperparameters such as learning rate, batch size, and number of layers in the neural network can significantly impact the model's ability to make accurate predictions in real-time trading scenarios. By carefully adjusting these hyperparameters through techniques like grid search or random search, traders can fine-tune their AI models to better adapt to the dynamic nature of financial markets. Evaluating the performance of AI models for day trading involves conducting backtesting to examine historical data and simulate trades to assess the model's effectiveness in capturing market trends and making profitable trades. When using AI models for day trading, it is crucial to consider the potential risks and limitations. AI models can be sensitive to market changes and may not always accurately predict market movements. They may also be prone to overfitting, which can result in misleading trading signals. It's important to exercise caution and not rely solely on AI models for day trading decisions. When integrating AI models into day trading strategies, it is crucial to ensure the accuracy and reliability of the data used for training the models. Furthermore, implementing proper risk management techniques and constantly monitoring the AI's performance are essential for successful integration.